love strawberry cheesecake. It's creamy and sweet, easy to make. It's super fun, come learn with me. We'll make it quick as a 1, 2, 3. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Blend, 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 mix it up. Easy peasy, bacon see. A yummy cake for you and me. First we need 300 grams cream cheese, half a cup of sugar, nice and sweet. 5 big strawberries, juicy and red. 3 eggs, you heard what I said. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Blend, 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 mix it up. Easy peasy, bacon see. A yummy cake for you and me. 2 tablespoons of flour, that's right. Then 200 mils of whipping cream. A pinch of salt, some vanilla too. Now put it in the blender, yahoo! Blend it smooth, it's looking great. Pour it in a pan, do not wait. Into the oven, 180 degrees. 25 minutes, easy as can be. Whoa! When it's baked, cool it down slow. Then into the fridge, overnight it'll go. Tomorrow it's ready, take a bite, hooray! It's your favorite cake, believe me, I say. Mix it, bake it, wait and see how yummy cheesecake's gonna be. Strawberry cheesecake, easy peasy, peasy as can be as a 1, 2, 3. Easy peasy.